also took a picture, even though I don't do any Tokaboka videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I do Tokaboka. So I thought to show you guys my house. I'm still working on it, but today's video I'm gonna be it's not all about Tokaboka, guys. I will be doing a Tokaboka house. If you guys know, the new pack came out, and I made a channel right after the new pack came out. So that's what's the house that I'm gonna be living in, and I'll show you the people that to do these things. So this is my family. This is Max, which is my husband, and this is my daughter. Her name is Alice, and this is my other daughter. She is 1 year old. I mean, like, she's not 1 year old yet, but she's turning 1 year old. And yeah, this year, so stay tuned to watch those videos. And the main character, which is me, Trisha. So I gave them all unique names that that mean a lot to me. I really forgot my my husband's name. So this is what we have so far. We have medicine on the side. If anybody's sick, we have something. We have this baby stroller. Obviously, every Taka YouTuber that has a baby will use this stroller, or they will use the new pack one, which is in the gifts. And I will just give you a little tour over here. I'm not done with this side, and if you guys can see, but let me just show you a tour here. So this outfit is from, you can get it from, what you call it again, place where the new pack came out, and it is in where you make your avatar, and you go to the place that has like that thing that has things like that. This thing you guys all can get from the place where you make your people like that, and then I just got them into a new outfit. But for now, I took away this guy's outfit, then I put it on. So this is what we have so far. Sneak peek. This is my husband's office, or you can call it my office. Comment down below what office, who is this laptop. But yeah, I'm trying to turn this off. Okay, and yeah, that's all we got for today. I'll see you guys in today's video, in tomorrow's video. But let's go, and yeah, that's the end of the video. Bye. But y'all know that I am the best queen. Okay, so this is our baby. Okay, his voice doesn't sound like that. Why did I say that? Okay, mommy, let's go see who's at the door. Excuse me, you didn't pay your bills. But you still didn't pay your bills. Better stop paying them, because who are these? They're so cute. Can you not touch my children? Can you not put in my face? These days are crazy, girl. After I've been definitely editing it and deleting the part. Anyway, guys, that's actually the end of the video. Thanks for watching my bloopers, my normal videos, stuff like that. Anyway, see you guys later.